Hormaz now. He's at the big wall with the top stock movers of the day. Hormaz.
Not one sector that you can say, oh yes, today it was a definite outperformer or a definite underperformer today. That kind of a sluggish day. But plenty of news flow coming in a lot of these names, and IREDA was one of them. As you just mentioned, you disagree with the otherwise pressure that you saw in the PSU space, 7.5% higher today. Transformers and rectifiers, the $16 million order, 5% upper circuit there. BEML signing an MOU, having a good day. Shyam Metalics, the positive brokerage commentary, and of course Paytm with the deal that it had with Zomato. But the street seeing a bit of selling pressure today, ending near the lowest point of the day, 3.5% lower with Paytm. Plenty of block deals were seen in today's session in the block window. Post that as well, almost 8,000 crore worth of block deals. Kalyan Jewellers ending at the highest point of the day, 9.5% higher. PNB Housing, the only one that had a negative impact. Eureka Forbes saw a block deal towards the close, now ending almost 10% higher in today's session. Heidelberg and Eris also saw a block deal. A lot of companies have announced buybacks, and now the number of buybacks announced after the budget has exceeded the number of buybacks announced pre-budget, and you can see the impact there. Aarti Drugs and Transport Corporation were the latest ones. Nuclear Software, the premium was not something that the street liked, and the stock ending 6.5% lower. Symphony ending at the highest point of the day, but is now up 50% in the last 1 month. And Serra Sanitary Ware's buyback opened in today's session. Some stocks that did well on the back of heavy volumes, and Varroc Engineering was one of them, the top gainer on the Nifty 500. Raymond as well has been in the news. Natco Pharma, Jubilant, Ingravia is the one that I wanted to speak about. And Fact, of course, keep in mind, Fact has barely any float in the market. And lastly, some profit booking seen in some high-flying names in the recent past. KFin Tech, Angel One, the capital market linked names. First Source is seeing some bit of profit booking, as is CAMS, and Adani Wilmar, of course, on the CNBC Awaaz exclusive. Back to you guys.